Hey guys, how's everybody doing? This is Fishhook and I'm Charles. Today's the 23rd, Sunday afternoon, and in about 3 hours, Amy and I are going to be boarding an Allegiant flight to Niagara Falls. Oh, I'm excited. I was born in New York and I never saw Niagara Falls. So we're going to go on a 10-day excursion. We're starting off in Niagara. We're going to take a hop over to Toronto, spend a majority of the time there in that area, and then we're going to go to Montreal, and then fly back out of Toronto. But we're excited. This is the first time I've been in Canada in several years, and things have changed, and look forward to this. I look forward to the life in Toronto. I hear a lot of good things about it. I hear it's a little expensive, the food, but I'm sure the eats are off the charts. They have their favorites. We're going to find out what that is. And we're going to bring you along. We're excited. I love traveling, and I like bringing all my friends along for the journey. So guys, we'll be in the plane in 3 hours, and we will catch up to you when we get off. Hey guys, it is Monday morning. Got in really late last night, we suspected. And you know, coming into Ontario, going over the bridge, I think it was the Peace Bridge. We went over the Niagara River. Well, it was pitch black. Obviously got off at the wrong exit, got a little bit turned around, went through customs through the tractor-trailer entrance, which really was a blessing because we got through a lot faster than the line with the cars was just ridiculous. Only reason it happened, we thought we missed an exit, so I backed up and really drove crazy. But anyway, we got in, and it wasn't until like midnight. I was eating a late night dinner. Just warn you, if you can pack stuff, do it, man. I ate some of these Hungry Man dinners last night from the Holiday Inn. Thank God it was something, but it's definitely not the food you want to live on. So we're back to normal now. 1 o'clock today, we're going to be on the boat. Amy had got it all set up, reserved it, that was the word. Reserved it, and we're going to go a boat ride to see the falls. So that's going to be the first time in my life, being born in New York, I never saw Niagara Falls. And we're actually going to be on the water. So it's going to make some amazing footage. So guys, we will check with you. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll keep you posted. Well, we're headed to Niagara, to this infamous boat ride. We'll see how close we get to the falls. This is the QEW, Queen Elizabeth. I don't even know what W stands for, but it's a non-toll road, and we were advised, do not go on anything but this in our area. It's the best route to take. So this Niagara is split up between half in the U.S., or part in the U.S. and part in Ontario. It's a different part of the world, totally different than where I live. But nonetheless, it's exciting, and we're going to have a good old time. And we're going to have you guys come with us and check it out. We just stopped at a mall. Well, my wife did. I did the husband thing and sit in the car. And I was very happy. And she's got to get it out of her system. But this should be fun, and I'm looking forward to this. So we catch you guys on the boat. So in the tunnel we go. The journey behind the falls.
Little bakery and
Oh, this is nice here.
bakery right there.
Yeah, right now, honey, I care more about maybe a nice T-bone, not a bakery.
I like that one.
No, it's beautiful here. This is nice. Well,
It's like so packed out. It's like freaking Times Square.
and this is the height of tourism.
Exactly.
So what do you have to say, honey?
Having a good time.
Is this, I want to know, is this worthwhile? Tell everybody what you think.
I think it's
Don't you like being on the scene?
journey behind the falls. We're gonna go in a tunnel right now.
And there's a tunnel behind the falls, I believe, right?
Correct. And we're gonna go right through the tunnel.
So, speak it to the mic. Oh, this is cool, isn't it? Everybody needs this at least once in their life. I told
That's what it
them.
looks like. The tunnel.
Yeah, beautiful. Well, we'll be there. Well worth it. This was a great tour. Brew Cafe and Deli. Everywhere if you stopped and took a bite, they'd have to wheelbarrow me out of here. It's like going journey, voyage to the bottom of the sea.
You can do all this by yourself.
But you know something? I enjoy the tour. I enjoy the talking. I enjoy the history. It's all part of the experience. Oh yeah, look at that. Everybody's gonna get their ponchos.
Yeah. Okay.
Do we?
Yeah.
Get them back when we're done?
You can throw them out when you're done.
Oh.
Hello everyone, welcome to Journey Behind the Falls. We are currently descending 38 meters or 125 feet down the side of the Portuguese Falls. Once you exit the elevator, there will be a blue tunnel. Keep going there. Inside, you'll find 2 more tunnels. The one on the right leads to twin portals. Both portals have the exact same view, so it's recommended to visit only one of them. The tunnel to the left leads to a 2-tier observation deck on the exterior of the cave, which is where you'll be getting most wet. It's slippery, so watch your step and enjoy your sunbathing tour. Okay, you can also keep them if you want to.
Thank you.
Some people do as souvenirs.
Thank you. Excuse me. Oh wow, look at this. I like this color. Hey, wait, oh.
She just said that come back to that. She said go this way first.
This is ridiculous. Look at that white foam. The American Falls, Canadian side, Niagara River. This is the beginning of it. Guys, you do not want to miss this. This is beyond belief. Look at this. That is, whoa, look at that. Imagine the force of that water coming down. Let's see, give that a break. That is so beautiful, looking at that. This is unbelievable, like we're in another planet.
Right?
Look at the power.
There won't be things like this in our world, you know?
Look at that. Imagine cascading off of that in a boat. Oh, it's beautiful. We're going to go down there.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to get down and dirty now. Let's go downstairs. Come on.
Okay.
Let's take a picture out here. Look at this. Here's me and Wayne.
None of my stuff.
Look at this. We are going in back to date.
Look at it.
We're next. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Look at this. Look at the power of that. Absolutely breathtaking.
Please be very careful that human trafficking, you know, anybody can get you. Please watch Eliana.
This is the beginning of the Niagara River. Holy moly. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Just will you look at that? This is phenomenal. The power. Check that boat. Oh, these guys really take chances. Niagara Cruise. Little the architecture here. Look at this. This is phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. I still can't get over. Look at that, majestic. At the top of the falls coming down. Can you imagine if you were at the bottom of that receiving the blow? Oh my gosh. What do you say to something like this? It's a no-brainer to come here. I have no idea what this is, but check this out. Check it out.
Building the tunnel.
This is part of building the tunnels. Look at this. A lot of work. Oh my gosh.
Rock. While they put concrete and everything to make it taller.
Look at this sight, guys. Holy mackerel. Look at this. Look at the rainbow. Oh, is that not beautiful? God's promise to us. Fantastic. Fantastic. Oh my gosh, it's like a hurricane here. Holy mackerel. Yeah, buddy. Still holding on that rainbow.
Rainbow's following it.
Made of the mist. There's fish in there. Made of the mist. Just look at that gorgeous picture. That's a picture. Absolutely gorgeous. So well worth coming here. This is the American Falls, as they refer to it. I wonder how long it'll take for that to disappear and crumble. Wow. Absolutely tremendous. Look at that, how it hits the rocks. Those rocks take a beating. And those people all the way up on that observation. Look at the rainbow, guys. Look at that rainbow. Isn't that amazing? Look at it. The Lord is with us.
It's like an ellipse.
Love it. Oh, so beautiful. Ribeye, carrots, mashed potatoes, and au jus sauce. This is the way to do it. It's clearing up outside now. This is just absolutely breathtaking. How do you get tired of this? Oh, this is a great way to end a fantastic day one.